Everybody is connecting with their audience using webinars. Are you? If you're not, then you're missing out on a considerable number of sales. That's right. Webinars can be used to convert leads into sales. Usually, you're not going to have a webinar with people who have already bought. What you're trying to do with a webinar is to convert people who are on the fence. They need a little extra nudge, and a webinar is how you do it. The way you do that is by utilizing Zoom. I created a step-by-step video series which will teach you everything you need to know about how to engage your audience with Zoom. So let me help you accelerate your success today. Scroll down this page below to learn more about it.